I have tried to start this video a number of times, and it has been 3 months since my last video, and I am just like at a loss. I feel so like this is my very first video I've ever made, but I'm going to share my Stitch Fix clothing that I received here with you guys. I'm going to show them to you real quick, and then I'll do a try on. But if you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I'm so happy you found me again. As you can see, I'm in a new surrounding. We have finally moved into our new house. We have only been here since December, and with the holidays and everything, we have boxes, so many things to still unbox. We have given away or sold a lot of our old furniture. We're in the process of buying new furniture and accessories. As you can see, it's very blank in here. And it's very white on the first floor because we wanted to start with a blank slate. I had some colors picked out. They painted one wall. I was like, oh no, I don't know if that's gonna work with our new table. So we decided to go all white, and then we'll figure it out. But you're not here to hear about a new house. You are here to see about the Stitch Fix box that I received. All right, let's just get started. Jump right into it. I am so rusty at this, so let's see how it goes. So a lot of you know that Stitch Fix is a subscription box. You get 5 items. They do send you a preview, and you can pick some items. I think I only picked one item, and it was a pair of jeans, and then your stylist will pick the other items and send them to you. And you do get a nice note from your stylist, ways to style things. And I have the same stylist. She's been hanging in there with me. Thank you, Melissa, if you're watching. I've received a lot of boxes, just have not had the time or the energy to film. So I haven't done that in a while. This is stitch number 72 for me. The total box is $421. If I keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, which would be $105.25, which would bring my subtotal to $315.75. So we'll see. There is a $20 styling fee if you don't have the style pass, which I do, and I'm hearing I'm hearing rumors, I told you I was rusty, that the style pass is going away. I haven't heard anything. Mine was just renewed a couple months ago, so we'll just see how it goes. All right, let's start with the first item. I'm just going to show them to you real quick, and then I'll go over the pricing when I do a try on. Pretty blue, light blue sweater. Looks like it's kind of cable knit in the front. It's very soft. And then it's solid in the back. Very pretty. It's a blue. It looks like it might be coming across kind of as purple. This is the item that I selected. These are the Wit and Wisdom jeans by Democracy. I can never say that. They are distressed. She had 2 on and they're boot cut for me to select from, and I selected the lighter wash. These are distressed a little bit, I believe, right here. Doesn't bother me. But I wanted the light wash. I don't know, in hindsight, I wish I would have selected the dark wash, but right now I just need something that fits. Sweater. This is a button-up cardigan. This is lightweight. Looks like it's shorter. It's hard to tell with the black that I have on, but it is just got some fuzz on it. Okay, and then we have this casual pullover. I wear these a lot, especially this time of year, and with, you know, all the move and packing and everything that we had going on. This is more like a burgundy color. And I got a coat. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the coat on. It is purple. This is not one of my favorite colors, but look at all the detail in it. It's got the silver zipper. It has a hood, and the hood is detachable. Looks like it has it must fold up into the bag. Oh, it's got a built-in vest. Is it built in or does it come out? No, it comes out. It's removable. All right, let's try this on because it's not going to go with really anything else that I have. Oh, it's too small. Here it is close up. This is nice, especially right now because I think it's 8 degrees outside today. So it's got, you can see the zipper where this is removable. I'll give you more information when we do the wrap up. This is nice. It is nice. I like the detail on it, the stitching. Has a zipper pocket. I like the silhouette of it because then it gives you that, it cinches in the waist. Okay, this is probably gonna be too small for me. Let's try it. It barely fits. It is pretty. I mean, this is not a color for me, but let's zip up. I don't know if I can zip the vest. Oh, yeah, barely. Oh, this would keep me really warm. Oh, I don't know. I kind of like it. I kind of like it a lot. It is too small though. I don't know. If I had a thicker sweater on, I wouldn't be able to wear it. Let's see what this is, why I have it on. Bernardo, Packable, Echo Plum, Walker with, let's see, where's the rest of the description? With removable bib. So they call it a bib, not a vest. Okay, so it can't be worn separate, apparently. Whew. All right, let's take a look at this. This is really nice, the inside. Okay, so it's not a vest, it's just a bib. So it's just this little front part that comes off. Let me tell you the price. Let's see, the price, $129. They sent me a size small. Probably need a medium just to be able to wear it. This is a thin, like layering shirt. Target, I think. I'm pretty sure I got this at Target. So I would probably need a medium, and I would probably prefer a different color, but it sure is pretty. I don't know. I have to think about it. All right, let's try on the other clothes and see what happens. Just kidding, not going anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on because I would probably wear a t-shirt or something underneath it, especially right now as cold as it's been. Let's see, this is by We Wander. And I have a size small. And what do they say about this? Joanne mock neck fleece pullover. They say this is a red. This is not a true red. This looks like burgundy. $68, size small. Let's see how it fits. It feels like, the material feels like almost like that scuba material and something else in it, but I don't think that's what it is. It's modal, recycled polyester, spandex. Okay, feels nice. It's kind of on the lighter side. Okay, if I decide to keep this, I'd have to size up to a medium. But it fits, it feels nice. Now I have long sleeves on underneath it. I would wear a t-shirt underneath it. But I mean, it's nice. It's not over exciting. It's soft. It's got the thumb holes for walking, which I like, especially now with the cold. I don't know, $68. I mean, I like it, but I don't love it for that price. I wish the zipper came down a little bit further. I don't know, it is pretty nice, especially in this darn freezing weather for layering. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, I'm still not going anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and try this black cardigan on and see how that fits over this black layering piece. This is a size small, 41 Hawthorn, black, $58. And they sent me one. I know I still received a lot of Stitch Fix boxes when I wasn't filming. I think I've only kept a few items from those boxes. And I received something very similar to this, but it had the bigger, like the wider sleeve on them, kind of like a bell sleeve. Oh, this is kind of ribbed. I don't know if you can see that with the light. So one thing with this house, we did not add enough can lights. The ceilings are very tall. And I mean, I've got lights on now and the sun's out, but we don't get direct sunlight in the back of the house. We get it in the front of the house where all of our living space is in the back of the house. But you know what? It'll all work out. I think we're going to add more can lights, but we're going to give it time to see if we adjust. I like a lot of light. Okay, this is very thin, very, very thin. And I could not wear this. The buttons kind of pucker on me. It's hard to tell, I know, because I have black on underneath it. I would wear more of a V-neck, maybe a tank underneath it. But it's nice, but nothing special. Let me give you a closer look at it. I know it's hard to see. Sorry about that. Hopefully my videos will get better as I start getting back into it. Okay, let's take a notice. Look how thin this is. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. And it is ribbed. It's a nice sweater. It's just not something I need. Okay, now I will go change my clothes. Last outfit on, I have the sweater on. This is a light blue, size small. It is Evolution by Cyrus. It has a nice little slits on the side, the cable knit on the front. The sleeves are a nice length. I like the color. I like the style of this. Here's the back. But it's a little scratchy. It feels soft to touch it, but when I have it on my skin, it's too scratchy for $78. Yeah, $78 for this sweater. It is 53% rayon, 29% poly, and 18% nylon, and it is hand wash, which is, I know you can put it in the washer, but I try to stay away from that, especially for $78. If I got it on sale, it was a good deal, I'd take the chance. But it's scratchy, so unfortunately, when I first put it on, I'm like, oh, this is really cute. But for me, the scratchiness, I'll be uncomfortable. But it is cute if you're looking for something like this. Okay, let's talk about these jeans. The jeans are democracy. I can't say it today. They are the Catherine Absolution, which means they have this stretch in them. It's not like elastic like you see, you know, where it's all bunched up. It's all like one stretchy piece. So you don't even know it's stretchy. Love this brand. These are the itty bitty boot cut. Let me back up. Boot cut. I have some little booties on that I think I actually got from Stitch Fix when they had their sale. Back pockets, stretch. Five pocket, $88, very typical. Crotch feels a little long in these, but when a girl is desperate for some clothes, you just kind of suck it up. So I might be keeping these jeans. Yeah, they feel really good. And I'll be able to put them in the dryer. Like I said, there's a little bit of distressing there. I don't care. Okay, so that's it. That is my Stitch Fix. Oh, hold on, let me show you the boots that I got. I'm pretty sure I bought these during the sale. They're Calvin Klein. I think, I'm gonna have to look to make sure. But these are my little booties. Slip on, it's got the zipper there, stretches here. It is a little tight right here, but I don't know, I think for what I paid for them, the heel's not too big. I like them, so I'll wear them. Okay, that's it. What do you guys think? That is my Stitch Fix. It is Stitch Fix number 72. Can you believe that? Are you guys interested in, I'm not going to do a home tour until I get some of the house decorated because it is so plain. Like what you see back here, pretty much the whole house. So we are working on it. It's going to take us some time. I did hire an interior decorator online, a virtual one, to start with the dining room. The dining room just has a table and chairs. So we thought we'd start there, see what she says about the blinds. Here, I'll show you. Don't mind the table. The table has everything that are warranty papers that I have to register online, and I had to sort through it to figure out what do we have and how to use all of our new appliances and everything else. So this is the room that we're going to start with. So we have these windows that we absolutely need some blinds for. So we thought we'd start with that room because I only need one piece of furniture to add to that, and then the window treatments and some accessories. Unfortunately, the designer that I selected is not available till February 20th to get started. So I will keep you guys posted, let you know how that goes. If it works out, then we're going to move on to the great room and have her do that, and then each room after that. I see a lot of things that I like, but then when I bring them home, I'm like, oh, I don't really like that. So the price is very reasonable, but I will give you more information on that. Sorry about that. I had a little coughing fit out of nowhere. So I will keep you guys posted on the design company that I'm working with. Let's see how it turns out. And once we get through that process, I will share that with you. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.